Apathy is like a wounded soul. Maybe I'm too emotional, or maybe you'll never get it all. You look happy and healthy, naughty. If you ever care to ask, good for you, you're doing great. I'll do without me, baby, like a damn sociopath. Like I've spent the night but you're so unaffected. I really don't care if it all gets good for you. For you, I guess you moved on really easy.
Hey! Number 2. Number 2. Hey! Sanwana, my friend. Sanwana. Hey!
Number 2.
Hey! Come on! Right, wasakajera gadza kwethu ngikulandela ke lapha la igama ihleli khona ku number 2. I guess Spaniel verse. Ambidoza. Abuhle. Bathi siyathandana emsakazweni yakho iGTFM. Ngifuna ugeseke ukuthi ubani number 1. 14 minutes to the hour. At 3 o'clock. So bona. Go. Wala. Emo. Ay. Oh. Kote siyathandana. Ay. Emo. Come on. Wala kamera. Yep. Hey. Ay man. Dalangi bacela ngawe. Kote siyathandana. Hey, tell her what I'm on.
You got too much sense. Too much sense.
ngitshela ngawe ukuthi siyathandana ukuthi nawe uyangithanda angithi nami ngiyakuthanda ingoma evela phana kuyena Abidoza buhle Espanyol Vest siyathandana ihleli ke yena ku number 2 osukwini lamhlanje kule viki ku top 30 charts iku number 2 bathi ke bona siyathandana 10 minutes to the hour at 3 o'clock ingoma ihleli lapha ku number 2 awuthi ngikrecapele fast ingoma ukuthi bezime kanjani ke lapha mawubheka njena isiyathandana ngoba ihleli ku number 2 kanjena number 3 bekuyena ke lapha Good For You Olivia Ragido bekunikeza kamnandi kanjalo Begin Maneskin bekunikeza kanjalo Kiss Me Before ehleli lapha ku number 6 kanti ke baxolele bathi ngibayeke bathi ngibaxolele ubehleli ke yena ke number 7 John Wick number 8 ke number 9 bekuyena ke lapha Call Me By Your Name Rapstar ibihleli ke lapha ku number 10 osukwini la namhlanje ke number 1 ngibuzile ke mina ngabuza ngathi wena ngokubona kwakho ubani ozoba number 1 ubani ozoba number 1 osukwini namhlanje awuthi ngithathe nje ababili abathathu ngithola ke lapha uthi ungusanele uthi number 1 xa nguthi Justin Bieber Peaches ngidlalile leyo ngoma leyo nje ingaba number 1 kanjani alright uyapwena okay alright angeke ibe number 1 le kodwa asazi umbono wakho omunye akabhalaka igama lakhe lana alibhaliwe igama lakhe uthi number 1 yena ucabanga ukuthi kuzoba uzuma istar ayiko kaneni do uthi uzuma istar izuma istar yiyo xa uthi number 1 kamyami number 1 Ed Sheeran Bad Habits ihleli number 1 osukwini lamhlanje
Every time you come around I can't say no
number 1
sun goes down let you take on
number 1
I can feel the paradise before and tonight has something wonderful My bad habits lead to late nights and then alone conversations with a stranger I barely know swearing this will be the last but it probably won't I got nothing left to lose My bad habits lead to white eyes stare into space and I know I lose control
number 1
that I say yes Then happens after 2 it's true my bad habits lead to you
wala
My bad habits lead to My bad habits lead to you Every pure intention ends
ngiyahamba manje seyishayile gaza kwethu ishayile manje
falling over every
ishayile manje gaza kwethu hayi ngiyahamba manje Jesu Thank you mfowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu mfowethu
only know how it goes too far My bad habits lead to nights and then alone conversations with a stranger I barely know swearing this will be the last but it probably won't I got nothing left to lose or use or do My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space and I know I lose control of the things that I say I was looking for a way out now I can't escape nothing happens after 2 it's true my bad habits lead to
a bad habit ihleli ke kuyona number 1 ingoma ka Ed Sheeran ethi Bad Habits ehleli number 1 ke kule viki Silokhu silanda lapha zibe ngu30 mayiphelele sakunikeza zona zonke ziphelele 5 minutes to the hour 3 o'clock
burn till the thunder bad habits lead to late nights listening.
The top 30 chart ebihleli number 1 ke kube yiyona ke lavana Ed Sheeran madoda isuka ngiyabona konakele hayi konakele ngempela basho kanjalo abantu bathi konakele kanti ke manje kumele sihambe ke ingane zakwethu iyona ke lena ebu number 1 kule viki sekumele ngihambe ke mina sekumele ngiphume ke namhlanje ke ngifuna ukuphuma ngale ngoma lena ezoba special tribute ke ikakhulukazi kuyena ke laphana uNtate Tshepo Thulwa ngenxa ukuthi udlulileke lapha emhlabeni sithi ngempela umphefumulo wakhe ngathi ungalala ngokuphumula legendary umuntu omfaka kwi-jazz angene athi khaqqa umfaka kwi-gospel angene athi khaqqa siyafisa ngathi uNkulunkulu ngempela angamgcina kahle impela aphumule ngokuthula baba Tshepo Thulwa emsakazweni wakho iTFM your ultimate dine 4 minutes to the hour 3 o'clock sebena ngiphume ke mina sithandazela neKaizer Chiefs sithi amakhosi for life siyathemba ukuthi azasibuyela naso istar khulukile Tshepo Thulwa lana bokusifisa ukuhla kamsimango ekuse uyazi mayo mase ngiphuma uthi ngiphuma kanjani ubatshele bonke ngake ngithufisa ube seradweni boy Sawubona mfowethu sawubona sithanda nami mnguni sanibona bafowethu sanibona sengiqedile ngenza ukuthi bengishaya i-top 30 charts so besiqala ku-top 30 nje for 3 hours kuneza top 30 charts so sengiqedile manje hayi isikhathi sami seshayile sengixoxile okuhloka ungani angazi Asambeni kanza wethu kosheke after ngathi u late kancane yazi so angikwazi ukuhamba ngishiye unjena yayibona nje ukuthi njani u late ke and nganza kwethu sibonga kakhulu bafowethu danki ngiyabonga danki mfowethu upapa kuvela abo ngoba phela akukona upapa lokho benza indlela engipresenta ngayo la upapa kuvela ngiyabonga kakhulu ngaza wethu ngiyabonga kakhulu